Hello friends, welcome to eSavera. I am Jayesh Gandhi and today we are going to talk about BCD addition and see a demonstration program to add BCD numbers using the 8051 microcontroller. So let us first of all try to understand what we mean by a BCD number. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. It is a decimal number whose each digit is coded in binary. Here I have shown in this table the decimal numbers from 0 to 15 and then the hexadecimal numbers from 0 to F. We use hexadecimal numbers extensively in microcontroller, so we need to know the hexadecimal numbers also. So 0 to F is shown over here. Then we have binary numbers from 0 to 15 represented by 1111. Then we have the 8421 code. It is the same as binary number, but in a code every number is represented by a fixed number of digits. So 0 is not just represented by 0, but it is represented by 0000. Similarly, it goes up to 1111. So the binary numbers 8421 code represents numbers from 0 to 15 as shown over here. After that, we have the BCD numbers, the binary coded decimal. So every decimal digit has to be coded in binary. So the code continues from 0 to 9 as it is in the 8421 code. But from 10 onwards, you find that these codes are a set of illegal codes for BCD numbers. However, a number 10 can be represented by 0001 0000, meaning thereby that all these codes from 1010 to 1111, they are illegal, they are not a member of BCD code. Let us go ahead and try to understand how the BCD numbers are represented. So if you have a number 35, since it is the decimal number, we can say that it is 35, and that 35 can be coded as 3 in its equivalent 8421 code. So it is 0011 and 5, so it is 01101. So the number 35 can be represented as 0011 0101 in the base 10 system with each digit coded in the base 2 system. This is extensively used in microcontrollers to represent numbers. So let us try to understand the addition process also of the BCD numbers. So when microcontrollers will add numbers, they will add in binary only. They will not add in BCD. So you have to make corrections to convert the result from binary form to BCD form. Let us see what are the challenges and how we can overcome them. So say for example, here I have shown a binary addition. These are the two numbers which are to be added. These are two 8-bit numbers which we add, and this is the result. So this is 2, 6 and 3, 8. These are the two numbers, and when you add them, then the result is 1110, that is E, and 0101, that is 5. So that is what is shown over here. So we are taking two BCD numbers. Here we are trying to add them. Since the addition is binary, and therefore we may end up in an illegal code. So both these codes are illegal. They are not BCD numbers. If you want to change this result into the equivalent BCD numbers, then what you have to do? So that is what we show in the next slide. Adjust the result of BCD addition. So how do you adjust the result of BCD addition? This is the sum. Now since there is an illegal code involved in the sum, that is this number, E. Therefore, to that particular nibble, you have to add 6 where the code is illegal or there is an auxiliary carry. So if there is a carry from this stage to the next stage, then also you have to add 6. So if you add 6, then the code will be corrected automatically. So 6 plus 8, that is 4, and there is a carry, and 3 plus 3, that is 6. So as a result, you find that this corrected result can be generated by just adding the 6. Similarly, if there is a illegal code over here or there is a carry, then you have to add 6 in this nibble also. Now for this purpose, in 8051 we have an instruction called DAA, which stands for Decimal Adjust Accumulator. You note that there is a space between DA and A. That space you have to write in the instruction. So when you decimal adjust the accumulator, then automatically the microcontroller will make the corrections and give you a BCD result when you try to add two numbers which are BCD. So that is called the decimal adjust accumulator instruction. What it does? DAA adjusts the content of the accumulator to correspond to a BCD number after two BCD numbers have been added or addition with carry instruction is performed. So that adjustment is done by adding 6 when there is a carry or there is an illegal code. So let us try to see how we can do that using the 8051 simulator. So I will just switch to the simulator and try to explain you how the addition is performed and how the DAA instruction works. So here I have written a small program which will take two numbers as input BCD numbers and add them, and there is a decimal adjust going on. We retain the two numbers which we have seen in the presentation, that is 26 and 38. The result we have seen that it is a 64 in BCD. So let us try to assemble this program and try to execute each instruction one by one. So this move instruction will put the value 26 in register A or the accumulator. The second instruction will put the value 38 in the register R0. Then you add the two numbers and therefore the result is 5E. That is what we have seen in the presentation. And now after this instruction is executed, if you apply the decimal adjust accumulator, you can see the space over here, DAA. So when you use this instruction, then this number will be automatically corrected by the DAA instruction, and you find that the result is now 64. That is what is expected out of the DAA instruction. So that shows the result of the addition of numbers 26 and 38. Let us take another set of numbers. Say for example, I take this as 7 and I take this as 6, and then assemble again. Step, so 7 6 comes over here. Step, so 6 8 comes over here. Add the two numbers and therefore you will get DE as the answer. DE. Both the nibbles are illegal codes. They are not the legal codes, and therefore when we execute the DAA instruction, that will be modified to the result as 44. That is the result, and there will be 1 in the carry bit indicating that the answer is 144. So your BCD addition of these two numbers is 144. So that is how the correction is made by the DAA instruction for BCD addition. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please like our tutorials, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and thank you very much.